video, I will show you how to create a double rib stitch, or more commonly known as 2x2 rib. 2x2 rib is another popular form of ribbing. It is almost identical to the 1x1 rib, but is made by repeating 2 knit and 2 purl stitches. For this sample, I'll be using 10mm needles and a super chunky weight yarn. For the first row, we will alternate knitting 2 knit stitches by 2 purl stitches. So yarn at the back to do your knit. And bring your yarn forward to work your purl stitch. For the second row, we purl each purl stitch and knit each knit stitch. So we purl, take the yarn to the back of the work and work 2 knits. Yarn forward, work 2 purl stitches.